Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video if you're trying to find the fuse for the door lock actuator, guys, on Ford F-150 generation, specifically from year 2009 to year 2014. We'll explain where that fuse is located, we'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses from, and also we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So the fuse for the door lock actuators, guys. Now, this is a 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. You have two fuse boxes. One is right under the hood, guys, above the radiator fan. Right here is one of them. You can see this is the cover for the fuse box. We don't need that one. We need, guys, another one that is actually in your cabin, in your F-150. Talking about that one right here in the passenger compartment, in the footwell right here by the kick panel. Okay, you have that cover. Okay, and that cover, guys, okay, oh, excuse me, let me go back to the other one. That cover right here, you open it and you're going to see your fuse box. It will look just like that, guys, right there. So we took a picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly show you exactly which one of those fuses you need to check. So if you some of you may have that fuse, some may not. It really depends. If you have problems with the track not locking or unlocking, check the central locking fuse instead if you're not equipped with that fuse. So before we do that, let me explain, okay, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that you will need to check specifically will be in the second row right here, and we will be fuse number 1, 2, that fuse that's known as F20, guys. Okay, our truck wasn't equipped with that fuse, as you can see, but check for central locking, okay, if you have problems with the door lock actuators. We have views about the central locking fuse on Ford F-150. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.